We have more breaking inputs coming in. Fresh claims have been made by Swati Maliwal, and she's alleged that there is a bid to tamper with the CCTVs. Let's go across to Ankit for more on this. In fact, in her post yesterday as well, she said, the video that is doing the rounds is half-truth. People should look at the CCTV footage. Now she's alleging that there's a bid to tamper with that.
Absolutely. Swati, everything is now focused on the CCTV footage because Swati claims that the Aam Aadmi Party has put out an incomplete video, a video without context to tarnish her image. However, she says that the real CCTV is being tampered with by the Aam Aadmi Party. Just a one-line tweet she has posted to the Delhi police. She says, मुझे सूचना मिली है कि अब ये लोग घर के CCTV से छेड़छाड़ करवा रहे हैं, tagging the Delhi police there. So Swati Maliwal is clearly aware of how crucial it is that the CCTV evidence from the Chief Minister's residence from the 13th of May morning about 9 a.m. not be lost or not be tampered with in any way. And she has flagged a concern over this, and this is what the focus is now on.
Absolutely. Isha is also with us on the broadcast. Isha, CCTV footage definitely holds the key in the entire case. Swati Maliwal is now alleging that there is a bid to tamper with the evidence that she says, if comes out, the entire truth would be known.
Right, yes, Swati. She's only stated this after the first CCTV had come out, while there were questions that the Aam Aadmi Party was raising as to the way she was speaking to the staff and the fact that she did not indeed look like a victim in that apparent clip, which is from inside the house. But questions rise about how doctored it is, and also the fact that now Aam Aadmi Party has tweeted it, but still there are questions about now the Aam Aadmi Party is questioning if an assault actually took place. But that video, that a minute-long video, is not sufficient enough to decipher if an assault took place or not. That and NCW has also sent a second summon to Bibhav listening to Swati Maliwal's complaint. And now she's saying that this is the first CCTV that's come out and the CCTV hasn't really gone in her favor. It's going against the claim that she's made. Apparently on the outside, it's seeming like what she stated, the opposite of it is coming true. So she has also now stated that the Aam Aadmi Party might be tampering with the CCTV, considering that she's a strong leader and that the Aam Aadmi Party is thinking that she wants to tarnish the image of the party, and she has no basis to her allegations.